Hello YouTube, Chastix back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows plus Shift plus S keyboard shortcut is not working in Windows computer. As we know, Windows plus Shift plus S is to capture your screen, but if this function is not working, in this video we are going to see three solutions. So let's start from solution number one. Solution number one will be the basic solution, which is restarting your computer. For some guys, restarting can solve such kind of problem. If restarting is not solving, then the second solution will be go to setting and check whether the clipboard history is turned on or off. This thing also relates with this problem. So click the search icon and type here settings, open the settings, and after that go here system, and under the system scroll down and you will find clipboard. Then as you can see here, you can also click Windows key plus V to see the clipboard history, but make sure you turn it on, the clipboard history. If it is like this, just turn it on and close your clipboard history and check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still continuing, so the third solution would be resetting the Snip and the Sketch application. So in order to reset that, again go here, click the search icon and type here settings here. So after the settings, then go to apps here. So open the apps, then find for, maybe you can click here apps and feature, then scroll down and find for Snip and Sketch and snipping tool. So select that and click advanced option. Then after that scroll down and here you will find the reset option. Select reset and click here reset. So here the reset completed. So after that close the setting and check whether such a shortcut problem is solved or not. If not, the final solution for this video will be opening your setting again. After the setting opened, then go here accessibility. So click on accessibility and scroll down to the left side and you will find the keyboard option. Open keyboard. Then under the keyboard scroll down and you will find here print screen shortcut. So on your keyboard you will find this print screen button. So if the Windows plus Shift plus S is still stuck on, just toggle on or turn off this one and you can click the print screen icon on your keyboard and you can get your print screen solution. So these are the solution to solve this problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastix out.